the only Forex trading strategy you will ever need in 2025. Are you ready to master Forex trading in 2025? If you're tired of complicated strategies and inconsistent results, we've got you covered. Today, we're revealing the only Forex trading strategy you'll ever need to succeed in the coming year. Hey, traders, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're new to Forex or you've been trading for years, we're about to break down a simple, yet highly effective strategy that can transform your trading in 2025. Say goodbye to overcomplicated indicators and unreliable systems. This is the strategy that works. So, what makes this strategy stand out? It's called the price action and trend following strategy. Unlike most systems that rely on complex indicators, this one focuses on the pure movement of price and key trends in the market. It's easy to learn, simple to execute, and proven to work. Step 1: Identify the trend. This is the foundation of our strategy. You've probably heard the saying, the trend is your friend, and that couldn't be more true in Forex. Start by analyzing the market direction on the daily and 4-hour charts. Is the currency pair moving up, down, or sideways? Your goal is to trade with the trend, not against it. Next up is price action. This is where most traders either win or lose. Look for clear price action signals like pin bars, engulfing candles, or inside bars. These patterns tell you whether buyers or sellers are in control and give you the perfect entry points. When these patterns form at key support or resistance levels, it's your signal to take action. You're not guessing, you're trading based on what the market is telling you. Now it's time to place your trade. Always set a stop loss to protect your capital. Remember, risk management is crucial. Never risk more than 1-2 of your account on a single trade. Set your stop loss just below the recent swing low for a long position, or above the recent swing high for a short. For your take profit, aim for a risk to reward ratio of at least 1-2. This means you're aiming to make double the amount you're risking. That's it. With this simple price action and trend following strategy, you've got everything you need to make consistent profits in the Forex market. It works on all major currency pairs and in any market condition, whether it's trending or ranging. Here's why this strategy works so well in 2025. 1. Simplicity. No confusing indicators, just price action and trends. 2. Adaptability. It works in all market conditions and timeframes. 3. High probability. Trading with the trend and price action gives you the best chance of success. 4. Risk management. With proper stop losses and risk to reward ratios, you protect your account while maximizing gains. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips, strategies, and live trading sessions. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year in Forex.